Well, hey there guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, we've got another Retro Kenny rerun. Well, last week's show brought us the first part of our hand plane restoration, the initial cleaning, etc. And this week we're going to finish it off on part 2 of that series. That series, as I said last week, is from 2015. It's a 10-year-old show, very rustic production, but very valid information in that video, and I hope you're going to take advantage of that. Guys, if you are interested in part 2 and you haven't already searched it out and checked it out, click right up here. This is where you're going to find it. And you know what, guys, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you're able to take something positive away from this show. But more importantly, I hope you're going to join me again next week when I bring you yet another Retro Kenny rerun.